Oh, is it really?
And I've got a little link.
It's
On three, slap me adventure. 1, 2, 3, slap me adventure.
My little, I put a little video on there for YouTube.
Start that up.
Whoa. You remember me from last time when I came down here? Remember me? When I met Charles and them? Yeah.
Sell your 109 and get that, put it in that garage. I'm not going to work on that, but.
How much? What's the sale?
Oh, it's $18,500. I thought it was $8,500. I'm sorry.
There's the phone number. The 865
951 8982. I kind of.
951 8982.
Correct.
05 Honda Rune for sale, you guys. Got a Corbin seat.
Heated seat. Yeah. So what I had done was the exhaust, painted that, tags, Corbin seat, heated seat. Right, that's what I had done to it.
Man, what you looking to get?
Huh?
What you looking to buy?
18.5. I got it on the internet for 18.5.
I mean, what you gonna buy when you sell this?
NC 750 XT DCT.
Okay, new,
Huh?
new.
Well, I might have to buy a new because there don't seem to be a whole lot of the 21s and the 22s is what I'm looking for.
Is that what you riding on, man?
Yep.
Okay. Honda Rune for sale, you guys. Come get it. Damn, boy, you don't see these no more.
It's got 28,000 or something on it.
28,004 something on it. Can you keep up with him on this?
Huh?
Can he keep up with you on this?
keep up with them on that. He tries.
I'll tell you what, it's tough. It's tough. When I come down off that front, sometimes when I do that stopping, that really bothers me.
I need that. I need that for Little Egypt.
Huh?
Charles, what do you think?
What?
That right where he's got an FJ.
No.
You think that's too much?
Little Egypt needs to be on a 3-wheel bike.
What now?
Little Egypt needs to stay on that Can-Am, honey. There's nothing wrong with it.
Hey, well, she needs to upgrade the damn thing
Well, you might
to
need
a touring Can-Am.
Yeah. Touring Can-Am, that RT or whatever it's called, but
200,000 miles on there. The new suspension.
197 something.
It'd be 200 for you know it.
It'll be 200 before the end of the day. Gonna go. What do you say, man? How are you?
Good, how you doing?
I'm doing okay. How's everything?
I'm about to roll 92,000.
I ain't bad.
Huh?
Bad?
Ain't bad.
On this one? Oh, really? Did you buy it new?
No.
Yeah.
Mine's got 90.
It had like 8,000 on it when I got it.
Okay. You like this bad boy.
What year is it?
It's an 08.
You think he'll go camping with us, Charles? You think he'll go camping with us? Nah. Might just be me and you.
Bikes. You need to
That's right.
I have 0.5 bikes.
We in Deals Gap, you guys, hanging out. Deals Gap, you guys. Come up here on the Saturday just to hang out, to eat breakfast with Charles Gibson. Get some of them good stories. I hope the audio is good on it. I am on the F6B. That'll be the last time I ride that up here until I get that suspension in there. There's that Honda Rune for sale. There's a tree of shame. And some camping over there. Might go halfway up here and park and just watch them go by. Ain't a lot of traffic out here, man. Maybe they coming. Let's see. There's the Vanderhall. There you go, riding in Vanderhall out here on the Dragon. There's the Vanderhall. There you go, riding in Vanderhall out here on the Dragon. Adventure bike. There goes Charles Gibson. They get ready to go for a hell of a ride. I just come up here on the depot, the Dragon store up here, just to eat lunch with them, or eat breakfast rather. Just getting off work, get a decent ride in. But Charles Gibson will run you all day until the dark, and I'm not prepared for that. I've been up all night driving them old trucks, so I'll catch up with them another time. But here they go. There you go, Charles Gibson.
Guys, hit that like button, subscribe, hit that notification, and personalize.
Here, look at this thing before I go.
Okay. Let's go see what Jody done bought. Like like Randall Cobb said, can't hide money.
Yeah, wait till you see Boyd's. The Boyd's look pretty snazzy.
And they DCT models, huh?
Yeah.
You miss changing gears? You make sure your son hit me up on that bike if he ain't already got it sold.
So he had
December last year. He bought it
That's right. I told
for my brother, and my brother didn't want it. So
He bought it from your brother?
I bought it for my brother.
Did he?
Yeah. So he had a little with my brother, so he was replacing.
Yeah.
That's Boyd's.
That's you? Yeah. And you went from a Harley Road Glide?
Yeah.
What year was it?
15.
To this. DCT model. GB winging it, look at here. Yeah, I can see the draw for those. Can't have money, y'all.
Go get your helmet. Get on it.
And do what? Get on what? On that? No. No, shoot, no. I fuck around have to buy one then. Then
What happened to me? He wouldn't shut up till I wrote that one. Then like a week and a half later, there she sits.
There it is. God, little man. I'm afraid to ride it. That's what's gonna happen to me.
They're hard to find. This one just fell in my lap though. Somebody traded this in for a street glide.
That's me right there. You don't really hear people trading in gold wings from Harleys though. That's why when I get one, I'm not trading my I may trade one of the gold wings in. This is all I need. I can put a 23 in the front, some thrashing bars. I'll be fine with that. But like you said, it costs so damn much money. God almighty, I can't stand it.
That's pretty there. I like it. I like it blacked out, black and blue.
Got tab performance pipes. I like the bags drop. They came like it.
Yep.
What kind of bars you thinking about? You like those thrashing bars?
Yeah, I do.
Black, keep the black theme going?
Yep. I'm not a big fan of chrome. Man.
I'm not either. Not no more. I've tried it because everybody was doing it, but I won't do it again.
Black out's where it's at.
That's me right here, you guys. Maybe I could trade him my F6B for this. Ain't gonna happen.
I'm not a trader like Boyd over there. I'm sticking with my Harley.
I heard that. That's a nice one, man. The color scheme, everything. I might change the wheel and the bars. You got the exhaust. I'll be done.
Yeah. I plan on changing the bars.
And the seat. I definitely gotta have a big boy seat. But that's more, cause you know.
My old lady rides on there occasionally. Got a little back.
Yeah. Okay.
But I'm kind of fine to see that. I tell people when they ride on her a lot more, I'll probably end up getting a better seat for her.
I tell people when they say they good with the stock seat, you know what I tell them? You don't know no better.
Yeah.
If you get a new seat, when somebody say that, they kind of take it wrong, but it's not a bad thing. If you ever got an aftermarket for real seat that's made, whoo.
Yeah.
If you're gonna ride
I
on.
looked into them too. They're not that bad. They're about $400, $500.
Right. I ride a lot, so I'm a big guy, so I gotta have something that's gonna be comfortable. That stock seal that going kills me. I know them ain't shit. Well, he's got an aftermarket seat, I think. Yeah. He's got an ultimate. Jody, it come with that seat on it? Your seat.
No, I had ordered an Ultimate for that 08.
Yeah.
And then whenever I found out I was getting this, I was canceling that 08 order. And the lady said, "If you buy something else," and I said, "Yeah." And she said, "What'd you get?" And I told her, and she said, "You just want to swap your order?" And I said, "Sure." They had that in stock.
And this is pearl like a mug, boy.
Oh yeah.
It's dirty in that daggone pearl stands there.
Well, it got caught with a little bit of rain yesterday. She's been washed since we come by.
Y'all rode yesterday?
I rode a little bit yesterday, yeah. But we rode last week was Kentucky Bourbon Road. Backstreet Boys.
80s baby. That's a 90. That was Backstreet Boy. I thought it was daggone Reflex. Who sung that damn song?
Frankie said that. Duran Duran.
Yeah, there you go. That is Backstreet Boys. That's your favorite band, ain't it? You NSYNC and Backstreet Boys.
New Kids on the Block. Too.
There he is, yeah. Sometimes you gotta change the gear, boy.
On three, Slappy Adventure. 1, 2, 3. Slappy Adventure.
Please like, subscribe, notify.
Hey, thanks for watching another episode of Slappy Adventures. Please like, share, and comment. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button.